Hello my friends. Tonight I'm going to be pouring a traveling straight pour, I think, and I've got an assortment of lovely colors here. This is Payne's Gray by Creative Inspirations. The rest of these are all ColourArte products. These three are Prizm Pour paints in Royal Sapphire. Ooh, pretty, pretty. This is Fandango with a little bit of Fandango with Abalone Shell, and this is Abalone Shell. I love the Fandango, but I'm nearly out of it, and I also wanted something a little lighter because I noticed my other colors were getting pretty close in value. So I lightened it up with the Abalone. So, and these were all mixed 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. This one had some water added to it, the Payne's Gray, but the rest of them no water, so just 2 and 1 gave me a great consistency. Now these 4 are done with the Vivid Intense fluid paints. This is Cobalt Aqua. Lovely. This is and I'll explain how I mixed this is differently than those. This is a mixture of deep violet and dioxazine violet. Only because I mixed up the deep violet and it wasn't as dark as I wanted, so I just added a little bit of that. This was Ultramarine Blue, and this one I think was Chromium Green. And I, again, didn't want it too dark, so I mean, I like that, the look of that. But for this palette, I wanted to keep it a little lighter, so I didn't add a lot of color to it, or the ultramarine for that matter. So these were mixed a little differently. I put in 2 dollops of a gel medium. I happen to use Artist Loft, but any gel medium will work. I put 2 dollops of that in, and then several drops of the Vivid Intense. And I'm going to say, when I say several, that's 10 or 12 drops, which isn't much paint. And then just keep adding if you want to intensify the color, but a little goes a long way. So 2 dollops of the gel medium, and then the drops of that. Mix that up, and then you get a tube paint consistency, and then you just add to it. I squirted not a dollop, just a quick little squeeze of Liquitex pouring medium, and then Floetrol. Probably about 2 parts Floetrol to all the rest of those put together. And now I've ended up with, I would say, the same consistency as these, and a lovely assortment of paints. So let's get to it and see what we can make. I have them in the order I want to pour them, so I'll carefully move them to the side. I'm going to be using this 12 by 12 inch canvas.